Alrighty guys, good morning. This is David over here at T's Garage in the city of Corona. L7s, 10-inch, two of them with the custom box, 4-channel amp wiring kit. 8 gauge, I'm sorry, for the 4-channel, 4 gauge for the mono black amp. Scar audio. We're using all kicker speakers. LC6, the 4-channel kicker amp, CXA, and then the mono black amp as well for the subwoofers. It's going to be going on the Chevy Silverado Z71 Duramax. We're going to be installing the full sound system on it. So let's get started on disassembling, and then I will show you guys the process along the way. Let's go. Clean install, guys. Clean. All of it. I'm going to show you guys before I even put this thing back on, just so you guys can see how good clean of a job we do here at T's Garage. No drilling into your truck. Run our power nice and clean, making that OEM. Man, that's just what we do here, guys. You guys want something nicely done? If you're done playing around with the small shops that are not doing a good job, come and see me. T's Garage in Corona. Alrighty guys, this is David over here at T's Garage in the city of Corona, California. So I'm gonna show you guys and let you hear how the Chevy Silverado turned out. We did a full sound system on this truck here. Okay, so I'm just gonna go over what we did, what we used, and pretty much the process. So on this beautiful Z71 Chevy Silverado 2022, we replaced all the door speakers using Kicker KS series speakers. We did 6x9s on the front. We added the spacers and all that good stuff. 6.5s on the rears as well. And I believe is the 4-inch dash speakers. We added 2 amps, 1 kicker 4-channel for the highs, and then 1 amp for the bass. It's got the L7s by kicker, so it is an all kicker sound system. We use the LC6 as our high to low system in order for us to use the original radio. We mounted our bass amp right here. That's going to be so we can control the bass. Alright, right now I've got my USB stick playing, got some old school, you know what I mean, that old school music gives you good highs, so we're going to hear them highs, how they sound pretty good. It's really hard to see the speakers, but they all did get replaced. This is the sub box for this specific year, make, and model. It's a ground shaker box, really good box. We mounted our amps behind the seat, so it's not gonna be showing, so I can't show you guys the amp. But on the other videos that I did, I'm gonna show them to you guys. This is all the product that we used. Let me see if it follows right. These are the 3-inch speakers, okay? KS series for the fronts, for the rears, fronts, 4-channel amp. This is more than enough, LC6. Unfortunately, the customer did bring in his own 4-channel, and for some reason, it was no good. Dash speakers got replaced along with the fronts and rears. All right, so now I'm gonna let you guys hear it. I know we're probably gonna get like this copyright, but hopefully some of you guys can hear it.
Ladies and gentlemen, the party has just begun. Wow, can you only sleep? I wish I could dance like that. It must be great, right?
Nice and loud, how we like it. Sounds good. Just a little sample, guys. There it is. Sounds good. Let me know if you guys need any help with audio.